Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram as a digital portfolio to showcase your work and attract new opportunities. Then here's how to do it. First, start by switching to a professional account, either a creator or a business, for access to insights and contact options. Then here, write a clear bio that says who you are, what you do, who you help, and you can also add a link to your website, portfolio, or a link tree. Then post only your best work. This can be art, photography, design, writing samples, projects, and even client results. You can also use a carousel post to show the step by step process before and after shots. Then here you can also organize your story highlights for testimonials, case studies, or services. Then use a relevant hashtags and captions that tell the story behind your work. And most importantly, be consistent and professional with your visual branding. And that's how you can turn your Instagram into a powerful content portfolio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips. Thanks for watching.